Hello, my name is Fernanda and I'm going to present my CMYK project. The title is Multi-Objective Linear and Logistic Regression. The orientator is Gilberto Meza and I'm a graduate student of the Chemical Engineering course in PUC-PR Campus Curitiba. This image represents well the idea of the research because logistic regression is used in classification tasks, using a sigmoid function, that is this red curve described in the graphic. The position of the target, that are the red dots, is very important to determine their classification. This is a resume of the project that is divided in introduction, objectives, tools and methods, results, and final considerations. The improvement of automatic systems may be done using learners trained with multi-objective optimization to develop machine learning. It can be done using many approaches, but in this research, logistic and linear regression were used. The main objective was to evaluate the performance of logistic and linear regression learners. The specific objectives were to adapt algorithms to apply logistic and linear regression and evaluate each one's performance. On logistic regression implementation, a modified algorithm was used to obtain the performance values, while in linear regression implementation, Excel was used to obtain results. The same data were applied in both implementations. First, in logistic regression, data was divided into two datasets, the training dataset and the test datasets, and then tested in the algorithm. And then linear regression implementation was done, and a different result with a different criteria to evaluate was obtained. The results may be represented as graphics. This graphic shows the relation between the F1 score of the training set and the F1 score of the test set. The F1 score represents the probability of detecting an anomaly. The F1 score of the training set is higher, and the F1 score of the test set is lower. And something that can also be observed is that when more sensors are used, higher is the chance of detecting an anomaly. The linear regression results were calculated using dependent variables and independent variables. The correlation coefficient value is 0.97, which means that this performance is good and that this approach can be obtained. Very well. Thank you for your attention.